Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Taylor.
And it's Madison!
Yeah.
And Wildcat.
Somehow I got kind of dared to, as you can see, this is coffee, not cinnamon. This is coffee and not cinnamon. So I'm going to try to do this. There's no time or anything, so you know what? Let's just go for it.
Let's just go. Don't spit it in the air, I swear. If you do, I'll make you lick it up.
Okay,
I'm nervous for you.
Okay.
Hi.
You look.
Hi.